if you are on Medicaid, you have to apply for any benefits that you're eligible for. So they will require that you apply for Social Security at 62. Well, then you start getting more money in, and that more money might cause you to lose Medicaid. I know, doesn't quite make sense. But let's say it doesn't cost you to lose Medicaid, and now you're turning 65. Now you're eligible for Medicare. Medicaid's already paying for your health insurance. You're like, I don't really need Medicare. Again, you're required to apply for any benefits you're eligible for, so you'll be required to go on Medicare. Now, there are millions of people that are on both Medicaid and Medicare. So there's also private Medicare Advantage plans that can kind of wrap around Medicaid and Medicare. They're called dual special needs plans. I have other videos in our library that can go into those. If you want our team at the Medicare Family to research if there's a plan like that available in your zip code, go to our website, themedicarefamily.com, click on the yellow button. You don't pay for our services. We'll research and see if there's dual special needs plans available for people that are dual. They're on Medicaid and Medicare, and we'll explain how they work, how they wrap around what you already have, and the extra benefits you might be able to get that you're not getting in Medicare and Medicaid. Now, I'd just like to warn people before they turn 65 that you might have been on Medicaid for years and their systems, their computer systems are antiquated. So sometimes it just automatically glitches. I'd say like 50% of the time. And then people get kicked off Medicaid and they're like, what happened? So I try to prepare people in advance that could happen, and we can get it fixed, but that it's not necessarily as smooth as you would hope it is going from one government program to another. So just putting that out there. We're here to help you. When you need help with your Medicare, we can help you in all 50 states. We're licensed wherever you are, and you don't pay extra for our services. We're independent contractors. We get paid by the insurance companies. If we help you, you do not pay extra for our services. So if you're getting ready to go on Medicare, give us a call. Tell us your situation. Let us help you get ready for Medicare. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.